Up next is 24/7 greenenergy.in. 24/7 greenenergy.in.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So far you have had gender balance, but you haven't had an age balance. So I thought I would represent them. Thank you for the opportunity. Can you just please start again? "24/7 green energy." Dr. Abdul Kalam said, India has had 60 years of experience, but we never had energy independence. So until we get energy independence, it's not real independence. So our focus is to encourage a dependence from dependence to independence in energy use. And our website will offer deals which small enterprises and villages can find. Our theme is to save India foreign exchange, which is 45% we spend on import of diesel, and to generate your own green power. This is the first e-commerce in the green energy domain, and nobody has ventured it, possibly because of lack of knowledge and lack of experience, lack of courage, and lack of etc. So the first independent website is customer focused, is a B2B mostly for SMEs and villages, green energy systems, products offering cost-effective solutions and funding options. We will connect buyers and sellers of proven green energy technologies, capital equipments, finance. Why we offer it now? Because from 2007, people have not been willing to pay for consulting service. Even in 2010, they was not willing to pay. Now we want to have just affordable and an entry fee on a website so that they can actually access the deals. Now, the business will be conducted 25% online, and the balance 75% will be offline, and thereby the deal gets completed. Some could be within a couple of weeks, some could be even 3 months. So that all depends upon the size of the deal that you have. It is going to be a game changer because the case-specific solutions online has not been given so far, because we want to simplify the green energy systems and offer underserved and unserved markets and provide unconventional solutions, or out-of-box thinking. What are the key drivers? The key drivers is 3 different scenarios. 500,000 SMEs are there, which are not competitive. 3,000 SME clusters are not competitive. And 100,000 villages are unelectrified. Now, the cost of renewable energy is almost equal to the average electricity bill and diesel cost. Hence, we feel the time is right to move forward. What does the website offer? It's a time-bound offer, hot deals on various simple products or simple systems, and on e-auction, we also put some projects which can be bidded by companies and project developers. So both of them are going to be time-bound. The market potential for India, the green energy, is almost $151 billion for the next 5 years. And 60% of it, more than 50%, consists of solar, biomass, and wind energy, which is well-proven technologies, and number of entrepreneurs are available. But the accessing is becoming difficult or not cost-effective, and hence our offer. So we, being based in Tamil Nadu, we want to offer it from Tamil Nadu itself, which you can see is a $10 billion market for the next 3-4 years. And once again, the wind, biomass, and the cogeneration becoming quite an attractive proposition. Go-to-market strategy, we want to aim at the SMEs, educational institutions, IT parks, and unelectrified villages, and mid-sized process industries, and new project developers and investors in these projects. Once again, making it easy for people to enter into this business rather than making it difficult. How do we promote the website? There are half a dozen ways. We want to connect with the social website. Our own bulletin is there. I want to address colleges, cooperate with MSME secretariats, chambers of commerce, trade associations, media adverts, and appointment business development associates in India. These are electricians and small business guys. How do we scale up? Linking with social media, educational institutions, financial institutions, capital equipment manufacturers, and service providers. With the financial institutions, we want to go on who all they refused loans, thereby we can actually find out why they refused, how we can help them to get back to normal business life. The revenue models are four. One is the fee, entry to the site is free, but fee for accessing the deals will be minimal, 500 or 1,000 rupees, and commitment from the commissions from the sale of the deals in e-auctions and banner ads, and fees from appointing business development associates. It could be as small as 50,000 or 1 lakh, depending upon. The core team, I have 30 years of experience in the green energy investment and project development business, and I have a team of 3 other youngsters, and we also collaborate with the e-commerce guy who is about 2 years experience. So we are bringing the old and the young together to provide cost-effective, tangible solutions. The revenue model is quite attractive, and for 3-year projection, we intend from 10 crores to 17 crores, and the return on investment is quite attractive also, because this is a business where the cost is going to be very, very minimal. We are trying to raise a certain amount of fund, which you can see, to set up 2 pilot projects and what have you. And the last slide is going to be how our website is going to look like. The funding that we require is for about 6 months of operation to get it up and running, and also 2 pilot projects that we have. So the last slide is a template that you can see some of the offers and also the products. And it's a time-bound deal anyway, so you will be able to have enough information on the website. Thank you very much. I think I finished earlier.
Over to the judges.
What is novel about your idea?
We are connecting technology, accessibility, and hands-on solutions. And one can see from the comfort of the seat what are the possibilities for them to get through. I think, the novelty is the combination of all the 3 without much of expenditure. For 500 rupees, you can know whether you're actually going to get help or not, rather than, getting a bus and coming to Chennai, or, going to see a consultant in Mumbai.
To the next question, how would you really reach out to people? Would you know who's the person who's going to set up a 11 kVA biogas plant or something? And how would they get a knowledge in terms of your expertise, and that you'd be able to bring value?
We have been doing this almost for about a couple of years offline. We work with the MSME secretariats, and they have given us a list of 3,000 clusters all over India which are not competitive, and 500,000 list of SMEs that are operating, and especially the process industries, export-oriented industries, etc. And the trade associations, the CII, FICCI, etc. I have been giving lectures all over India for the last 7 years on green energy in different parts of. So I decided that in order to make it accessible and easy on a 500 to 1,000 rupees, 24/7 green energy will be the first revolution in India.
Any other questions from the judges? None? Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together, please.
Thank you.
24/7 greenenergy.in. He was our last presenting entrepreneur for the day. Can we have a big round of applause for all the presenters?